All right, Shalom. I'd like to say all praises due to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elder apostles of Great Millstone. Peace and blessings to all you brothers teaching in truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the globe. Underneath the standard in the banner of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai. All right, and I just wanted to read this real quick. It's from the Missile Defense Advocacy Advocacy Alliance. All right. And this was December 6, 2019. It says Raytheon wins 29 million repair deal to aid Standard Missile Systems. Okay. Now, I'm bringing this out because, as we all can see, these other nations are geared up already, man. And I'm bringing this out in terms of America being late, okay? Because they thought everything was sweet, and these nations were going to be scared of them forever, man. So now we got a 29 million repair deal to aid Standard Missile Systems. From the NASDAQ, it says Raytheon Company RTN Missile Systems Business Division recently secured a 28.8 million modification contract to offer maintenance and repair support for fiscal 2020 Standard missiles. Okay, the SM-2 and Standard Missile SM-6. The deal was awarded by the Navy SEAL System Command, Washington, D.C. Majority of the work related to the deal would be executed in Camden, Arkansas, and will cater to the U.S. Navy per the terms of the deal. Raytheon will provide engineering and technical support, depot and intermediate level repairs, maintenance and recertification of standard missile sections, assemblies, sub-assemblies, as well as components. The project is expected to get completed by December 2020. Okay, but you see all these other nations from Russia, India, Iran, China. Okay, all these other nations are set up, so to speak, with their missiles ready to go. Okay, to do what? To be shot over here in Babylon the Great. Okay, so whatever standard missile system they talking about, and I believe this is the defense missiles. Okay, on them Navy ships out there. All right, missiles that can take down other missiles. All right, America is not prepared. That's what I'm getting to. This place isn't prepared for the onslaught that's going to come. All right, of these 200,000 missiles. All right, that the Lord is going to set forth on this place. I'm going to get a couple of scriptures, man, and then close it out. You know, a 29 million repair deal to aid standard missile systems, and to be done when? In December 2020. You know, the way that Donald Trump has this place going, man, I don't think it's going to make it that far. All right, so let me just read this real quick. I'll start here. I'll start at 1 Zephaniah chapter 3 verse 1. It says, woe to her that is filthy and polluted, to the present city. She obeyed not the voice, she received not correction, she trusted not in the Lord, she drew not near to her power. Okay, you know, and that was for at one point in time, that was for the nation of Israel, but now, you know, for America, because they did declare this this word to be the law of the land, and they're not living up to it. Okay, it says she obeyed not the voice, she received not correction, she trusted not in the Lord, she drew not near to her power. Okay, so since this place conception, man, okay, with the slaughtering of the Native Americans, which are Israelites, okay, according to the Bible, all right, Her princes with her are roaring lions. Her judges are evening wolves. They gnaw not the bones till the morrow. To the morrow. Okay. They're wasteful people, man. Okay. They don't eat like you've seen with the buffalo. They just killed the buffalo because they wanted the Native Americans to starve out, man. Okay. So they are wasteful people. It says her prophets are light and treacherous persons. Her priests have polluted the sanctuary. They have done violence to the law. Yeah, all the unrighteous decrees that they set up against the Israelites, and then the unrighteous decrees that they just have going on behind the scenes: gay marriage, gay support, in these systems, taking away of men out of the households. Okay, setting up of women high. Okay, even though it's the Lord's work, man, but He had to have somebody do it, man. Okay, so this is why they're the most hated on the planet, the nation of Edom. Okay, the just Lord is in the midst thereof. He will not do iniquity. Every morning do He bring His judgment to light. He faileth not, but the unjust knoweth no shame. Okay, so it's been warnings put out there, but like it said, the unjust knoweth no shame. All right, every day the Lord shows a sign that he's serious business, man. All right, but it says the unjust knoweth no shame, so they keep on going in their iniquity. All right, I have cut off the nations. Their towers are desolate. I made their streets waste, that none passes by. Their cities are destroyed, so that there is no man, that is none inhabitant. And that's what's going to be happening. Okay, here in Babylon the Great, especially, man. Okay, I said, surely thou wilt fear me, thou wilt receive instruction, so their dwellings should not be cut off. Howsoever I punished them, but they rose early and corrupted all their doings. All right. Therefore wait ye upon me, said the Lord, until the day that I raise up to the prey. For my determination is to gather the nations, that I might assemble the kingdoms to pour upon them my indignation, even all my fierce anger. For all the earth shall be devoured with the fire of my jealousy. For then will I turn to the people. That's going into something else. But here at verse 8, all right, you see what the Lord is going to do to this place. No matter what they do, they mess with the fence, man. He's going to burn this place asunder, man. Okay? Like he said, for all the earth shall be devoured with the fire of my jealousy. All right? And the earth that he's talking about is right here, in AKA America, the land of the bitter, which is Sodom and Gomorrah in Babylon the Great. All right? He's going to burn this place up. But when you go into Zephaniah 1 and 18, I just go straight to the point. It says, neither their silver nor their gold shall be able to deliver them in the day of the Lord's wrath, but the whole land shall be devoured by the fire of his jealousy, for he shall make even a speedy riddance of all them that dwell in the land. So you can get your 29 million repair deal, but it ain't gonna help, man. It ain't gonna help. All right, it's not gonna help. When you read Jeremiah 51, all right, the Lord just gives a description of how it's going to go down here in Babylon the Great. Even with your repaired missiles, so to speak. It says, thus said the Lord, behold, I will raise up against Babylon and against them that dwell in the midst of them that raise up against me a destroying wind, and that destroying wind is the nuclear missiles. Okay. And will send on to Babylon fanners that shall fan her, and shall empty her land, for in the day of trouble they shall be against her round about, against him that bendeth bendeth, let the archer bend his bow, and against him that lifteth himself up, and his brigandine, and spare ye not her young men, destroy ye utterly all her hosts. Thus the slain shall fall in the land of the Chaldeans, and they that are thrust through in her streets. Okay? Shalaki. For Israel hath not been forsaken, nor Judah of his power, of the Lord of hosts, though their land was filled with sin against the Holy One of Israel. Flee out of the midst of Babylon, and deliver every man his soul. Be not cut off in her iniquity, for this is the time of the Lord's vengeance. He will render unto her a recompense. And that's one of those warnings, okay? But the wicked will still do wickedly, like the scriptures say, even though they've been warned. And just like it said in Zephaniah 3, okay? They didn't stop, you know? So this is the end result of it. The warning, all right? Verse 6, flee out of the midst of Babylon, and deliver every man his soul. Be not cut off in her iniquity, for this is the time of the Lord's vengeance. He will render unto her a recompense. Babylon hath been a golden cup in the Lord's hand, that made all the earth drunken. The nations have drunken of her wine, therefore the nations are mad. All right? And I'm telling you, man, that guy DJ Trump, man, he's doing his job perfectly, man. All these nations are circumventing the U.S. dollar. They're circumventing sanctions. Okay, so it's going down for Babylon, man. Okay. Verse 8, Babylon is suddenly fallen and destroyed. How for her? Take balm for her pain. If so, be she may be healed. All right, and it's not going to be healed. We would have healed Babylon, but she is not healed. Forsake her, and let us go everyone into his own country, for her judgment reaches unto heaven, and is lifted up even to the skies. And like it said, man, no amount of dollars is going to spare you. All right, no amount of missiles is going to spare you. All right. Because those 200,000 missiles that the Lord speaks of are on their way, man. Okay. Where was it at? Let me see. Let me go back up. That's pretty much it, man. That's all I wanted to bring out. But they can try to do whatever they need to do, but they way behind, man. These other countries are already geared up. They already, you see missile tests going on every day, somewhere in the earth, or just about every other month or so. So America's, they done, man. They military is crap. Their defense system is crap. You know, their equipment is crap. It's over, man. So with that, I want to say all praises due to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rakakadash, and double honors to the elder apostles of Great Millstone. With that, I want to say Shalom. Yeah, America's out of here, man. They're done.